In this video, we will explore creative strategies for discovering video ideas using 1 of 10. You can sign into the 1 of 10 site using the link in the description of this video. Start by entering a broad keyword or topic into the search bar, such as graphic design or social media marketing. Next, scroll through the search results to uncover videos that have performed exceptionally well within the chosen niche. Pay attention to the titles, thumbnails, and topics covered in these videos for inspiration. Additionally, click on the Find Similar button to explore related video topics and dive deeper into specific niches as we said. Take your time to explore different keywords and categories to generate a diverse range of video ideas. By leveraging 1of10.com to explore the video ideas, you'll be equipped with the inspiration and insights needed to create engaging content for your audience. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.